I am excited to introduce you to one of my game-changing, pun intended, products, which is the Norwex Sportzyme. If you've ever been bothered by stinky, smelly odors that linger in sports gear, equipment, shoes, things around the house, this is a demo and video you don't want to miss. So if you saw in my recent video, the Norwex Odor Eliminator is amazing. You might be wondering, how are these two products even different, right? So the primary difference between Sportzyme and Odor Eliminator lies in their intended uses and the target odors they help eliminate. So Norwex Sportzyme is specifically formulated to tackle organic odors commonly found in our sports gear, things like shoes, equipment bags, and lots of other athletic accessories. It contains very fast-acting enzymes and biodegradable ingredients that effectively break down and eliminate those stubborn odors. It leaves behind a fresh, sporty scent, which I really like. The Sportzyme is ideal for athletes and active individuals, and also moms taking care of them who need a reliable solution to keep all the gear smelling fresh and clean. On the other hand, Norwex Odor Eliminator is just a really great versatile product designed to eliminate a wide range of organic odors found in various areas of the home, like our bathrooms, kitchens, garbage cans, carpets, even our laundry, right? It utilizes enzymes and microorganisms to target and neutralize odors at their source without relying on any harsh chemicals or aerosol propellants to get it done. The odor eliminator is really perfect for anyone who's looking for a safer, greener alternative to traditional air fresheners, plugins, even odor eliminators. While both of these products utilize enzymes to eliminate odors, Norwex Sportzyme is tailored specifically for our sports gear and our athletic equipment, where the odor eliminator is just more of a versatile product suitable for use around the home, which I love both of them, and I like having both of them handy. As a busy mom with teens and sports, this is great. So we're going to talk more about the Sportzyme, and we're going to tackle the issue of those like persistent organic odors we often have to deal with. It is packed with fast-acting enzymes and biodegradable ingredients. They work tirelessly to break down and eliminate pesky odors. I use it on everything from sports equipment, shoes, shoulder pads, helmets, and so much more. I love that it eliminates those organic odors that have been plaguing the workout gear and just seem to linger and maybe even get worse, right? So the formula is specifically crafted with natural enzymes that target and neutralize odors without the use of any harmful chemicals. Plus, it's free from all the other nasty stuff like the SLS, SLES, dyes, phthalates, phosphates, making it a much safer alternative for you, your family, and of course, our environment. This has a fresh, sporty scent that lingers long after the odors are gone, which I really find nice. It's versatile. I use it on sneakers, equipment bags, cleats, shin guards, shoulder pads, helmets, inside the workout bag. I mean, it's just really wonderful. You name it, it's an amazing product. It is also eco-friendly. The bottle is recyclable. It is a biodegradable product, and it's cruelty-free. Now, let's put this powerhouse product to the test. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use the Sportzyme and banish those odors for good. First, you want to give the bottle a good shake. You want to do that with any of our enzyme products. And you want to give a generous spray the first time. I mean, don't hold back. Really saturate the area. And then I like to sit this out in the sun or just outside, right? And instantly, yes, I'm smelling it. It has a fresh, clean, sporty scent. Fun fact about enzymes, they are honestly biological superheroes. They speed up chemical reactions without being changed themselves. It's like having a squad of tiny cleaners working tirelessly to keep all the gear smelling fresh and clean. Well, there you have it. All about the Norwex Sportzyme. It is a game. Now you get it. The game changer when it comes to eliminating all those stubborn organic odors in all things teenage boys, right? Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video.